All right, what we have here is a late model Silver Shadow Wraith. This is the rear left door, and we pulled the door panel off of there. I actually had new speakers I put in there a while back, but we're having a little issue with the power lock sticking. So what we did, we went ahead and pulled the door panel off, take the screws out of the trims there, out of the handle and the window, and just lift the door panel right off, just set it down. And here's your window motor. You can access everything you need right here. This is your window motor. Here's your wiring right here. This goes down to your cigarette lighter and your light. And we're just checking everything out here. And here's the issue. When we go to do it, there's your power door lock. All right, I lubed it up real good, and now it's starting to free up. But you can see some of the corrosion that's on there. That's what's holding up the lock. So, and then down in here, I don't know if I can get it down in there. There it is. You can see the mechanism down there going to the latch. So by hitting the latch, we put this back up. Now it's springing down nice and tight. And the power door lock inside will now be a lot freer because I lubed it all up. So that could be your issue right there. Your power door lock solenoid is corroded up. You can see that. We're just getting it freed up right now. If it sticks some more, then I'll end up taking these screws out, pulling that out, and cleaning that shaft to get that solenoid nice and clean so that shaft, you can see that it is pretty corroded up right there. So we're going to see about... I'll probably go ahead and take that apart anyway and get it done. So here your window motor, here's your gearbox. This is your window stopper here to keep it from rolling down. And the wires, you'd always want to take pictures of that, the picture of where the wires are going and stuff like that. I lube it up and soak it down real good with some powerful protection fluid film. It actually will put a coating on it and keep it nice from drying out and stuff like that. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine, Rolls-Royce technician Eddie with another job here. This is my everyday driver. So other than that, the sheepskin seat covers and everything else in there. So there you have it.